Welcome back. Another gloomy day. So the water mostly receded, but left behind a yucky, muddy mess. So mud, still some water. So I got my first clothes on today for this muddy mess. Um, so I'm going to try to work on the junction box. Get these pipes into the junction boxes. That'll determine final placement. And then once they're attached, I can bury all the pipes I have in the ground. Today's goals: get them in the box, glue the next two sections on, and bury some of this. One other reminder, there is live electric in this box now, so I'm going to turn that breaker off just to be extra safe. So back to our good old time-lapse mode, I guess. Detour briefly here. I'm going to glue some of these on and then dry fit another section. I'm running low on pipes, so I'm going to see if I am going to need to buy more to finish this, or if I can sacrifice one of these for an upgrade. So do some gluing, some figuring out length, and then we'll go from there. Crazy how close to perfect that length is, so didn't really help my decision. Once you put the elbow on there, it's probably going to be the perfect length. So I don't know. That's probably going to be it for today. We got the two pipes into the junction boxes. I got backfilled partially. Gonna try to let it settle a little and then add the stone back on top. See if that works better than what we did on the other side. Then I got one more section to dig out still. I just caution taped off the hole. Oh, we're getting there. This one's a little quicker than the last one. To be continued. Good morning. Happy New Year. Welcome back. Even though probably March or April when you're seeing this. Today is January 1st, 2024. So today I'm hoping to dig this last section out, backfill this second to last section, and see what else happens. So back to my good old favorite time lapse. How often do you find this in your backyard when you're digging? Sawblade? It's an interesting find. can. They really, really slow things down. So we're struggling our way through all these roots, but we're getting there. So this opening over there, it's like a crisscross of roots and very tight. So I think we're gonna use a little hand shovel and dig that part out. See how that goes. Oh, today was rather difficult again. So I was hoping to just go in the straight line there, but there's just too many roots near the shed. Can't find a way through. So I did the little side thing there. Was able to get under some of the roots, and looks like it might work. So instead of going in through the side of the shed, I might have gone through the front. But I'm tired and I don't want to do anymore. And my battery's dying. So that's it for today, other than cleanup. Um, I don't know when I'll be back to this. But to be continued eventually.